Hello guys and welcome. In this video we're gonna learn about the objects in TypeScript, how they work. I will show you step by step. I already create a objects.ts file. You can create the TS file as you want. So now let me show you how we work with objects in TypeScript. So first let me create a const, a book. For example, let me create a book which equals to, let me say that this book have the title of for example, Harry Potter and the Philosophy of the Stone, and also there, let me say like author, the author is the J.K. Rowling, and the year is 1997. Okay, so this is basically the objects as you know in JavaScript. So now when we come in a TypeScript, the objects is working or the objects types works similarly like other types. For example, you can give it like in like this, and you can say like for example, you can provide a parenthesis, and you can say like for example title, and you can say like because our title is a string data, because the title says Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, so we will provide the string data type, and don't forget this comma. Okay, so I provide this title, then goes to again, and we say like author, and we say like author again, it is a string data type, and lastly what we remain is that it is a year. So don't forget that to add also a year and give it a notation of a number. Okay, so that's great. So you give for your data type of types for your objects. Okay, so now let me console log let me console.log this template literals. For example, you can say like a book title by a book author and book year. Okay, so let me save and let me run the code, and let me show you what is the output in here. Okay, so let me remove this comment. I added for purpose. So it says that Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling in 1997. So that is great. So we can now work on a objects in TypeScript. So this is how we give a types for our objects. See? So what if what happen if you not provide for example, if you remove this and year or a number, it says like this. It says like a red line comes and object literal may not specify unknown properties, and the year does not exist in the type, and it will give you or show you that the title is provided, the author is provided, but it is not provided the year. Okay, so this is what I love about the TypeScript. Okay, so it will give you some some features if you are made a wrong statement. For example, let me show you with other data type, that is a boolean. For example, let me say like for example, let me say like for example, let me say like a boolean of a true or false. For example, available in a store, availability of that book, and we can say like this symbol and a boolean, and let me save it and add a comma, and let's say that an available is a true. Okay, so now let me say that available is available, save, and the book. And when I try to run the code, and it says that Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling 1997, and it says the available is true. Okay, so you can give whatever types for your objects. So the main point is that after you create your object name, then use this symbol, then use parenthesis, then close this parenthesis. Then after these symbols, then you can add your corresponding data in here. Don't forget also the commas also. Okay, so this is for today. It is simple, and I hope you understand these objects, how they work in TypeScript, and I'll see you on the next TypeScript tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give like this video, and I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.